What is going on, guys? It is Danny here, back again with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to budget. Now this is going to be the simplest way possible. I know there's a lot of different apps like Mint or Personal Capital that does this, but overall they mostly have a lot of problems if anybody's ever tried them. You're trying to find the simplest way to budget. I've actually pretty much found that. This is going to be using a Google spreadsheet, so that means you can use it on your phone as well as your computer. So on the sake of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it's set up, and I'm also going to leave you with a copy so you can do this exactly yourself and make it super simple. So let's go ahead and go over to the spreadsheet. So this is how it's set up. On the left here, you can see monthly earnings. We've got all of my guaranteed income. So if you're someone that's a gig worker or a freelancer and you don't automatically get the same amount of money each month, this average what you'd normally be making. And then also you're going to see my guaranteed expenses here. So you get home, savings, investing, car insurance, gym, Adobe. Now you may be saying, why is your home and savings on there? Well, this is how I have it set up, and this is how everybody should have it set up. If you set up automatic allotments from your paycheck, or you can even do automatic transfers that automatically come out every single time you get paid, you will be saving a lot more. You won't even need to really worry about this budget because you're still going to leave yourself money to play with, but you're going to also have money going away enough to where it's comfortable and not have to worry about it. So my case here, I have $1,500 a month going to savings. That's using automatic transfers, $750 transfer each time I get paid. So I get paid twice a month. So if we scroll down here, as you can see, I have all of my expenses in here and then my total earnings. So that is going to be minus all of your debt payments, and then it's going to add in your income. Now how this works is it's using a Google spreadsheet function, so it's automatically going to do it for you. All I did was type in equals and put the different things here. Now the next thing you're going to see is on the right side. You're going to see date, place, cost, and left. So how this works is, if you're ever buying something and you're out and let's say you stop to get gas, the only thing you have to do is literally type in the date. So we're going to do it for instance here. So I want you to notice over here on the right side, you're going to see that in the left category, you're going to see 12:05. So this is how this is going to work. You're going to type in 7/7 or whatever date it is. So let's say tomorrow I spent some money. So I'm going to go ahead and type in here 2022. And then once I type that number in, I'm also going to put the place or the whatever you want to put in there, really. So I'm going to say gas. I'm going to go over here in this category, whatever you spend on. So you're at the pump, you're spending money, and let's say it clicks off. You're just going to type in like whatever number it is. So $77.25 it costs. It is going to change that number automatically. You don't have to do anything. You're able to literally just see how much money you have left. So if you're like, hey, if your friends are like, hey, let's go out and get something to drink, you might be able to say, hey, let's do that. Now, the reason you really want to do this in a budget and not just automatically have this money come out is you want to see exactly where you're spending the most money. For instance, I spend a lot of money on food. So this month I've been doing pretty well, but most months I've been spending around $10 to $15 a day on food. And that adds up quick, and you can take away that expense just by looking at things and say, hey, I've already ate out too much. I need to cut back on some spending. So I'm going to put a link down this for y'all. All you have to do is go in here and change the numbers. Anything that is a payment or obligation you're currently making every single month, just put a negative sign in front of the numbers here and it will subtract it from the category. Now, if you have this lower, this is going to be lower on your category. You might have to move this down, which is 100% fine. I might even move it down before I send it out the link in the video. But this is a super easy way to do it. Download Google Sheets on your phone. You can literally just type it in. Makes it super simple. I'll even show you right here. So on my phone, I have the same thing that we're looking at currently right here. As you can even see, I'm logged in on the phone. So if I click on something, if I click up here, as you can see, a little thing just lit up on the computer. That means I'm currently editing at the same time as this. So if you enjoyed this video, if you get anything out of it, definitely use that link down there. I'm not saying you have to budget. It just makes it super simple and easy on your life. Other than that, guys, have a nice day and peace out.